Hi, and welcome to the course. I'm glad you chose to come and do the 24 posture course with me. As I said before, the postures are broken down into different teaching videos, and so it has the same posture 3 times in a row, so you can practice 3 times in a row, and then you can just play it again over and over again. It pays when you're practicing Tai Chi is to really get it cemented in the posture you're doing, really comfortable so you can do it without looking at the video. It takes a little time, but if you do it over and over again, just the one part, and then add the next posture to it, so then you start building it up and building it up. If you have any questions, please email me, or we can communicate sometime, and we can work out if there's a problem that you're not quite sure about. Ask me anytime, and I'll give as much help as I can for it. If you look on the YouTube or you look on the internet, you'll find the 24 posture yang forms, and you'll find various different ways of doing it. There is many. I've got 2 different parts to it that I've done a modified version in this set of exercises in this course as well. There is myriads of ways of doing the 24 posture yang form. There's no right or wrong, they're just different. And some teachers focus on certain parts and other teachers focus on other parts. So as I say, you can look at it and you'll find it's done just about everybody does it slightly different. It doesn't really matter so much. It's the one you practice is the one you get good at, is the one you get the benefit from it. That's what my teacher used to say. So just practice. This one is a nice and easy version of it. There is some more difficult ones, and you'll see with the modifications, some of them are a bit more tricky to do. Just do the easy version, it's fine. Thank you again for joining the course. I think you'll get the benefits from not only the Tai Chi form itself, but also how it makes you feel, the health you get from it, the clear mind, the calm body, the good sleeping, the good digestion. Everything seems to work better when you're doing these forms, so I can't encourage you enough. And as I say, I've been doing them for over 25 years, this form, and I practice it just about every day. It's an amazing form, so please enjoy it. And at the end of the course, can you please write the feedback? And so encourage other people to come and do it, and if you can give us a star rating, that'd be great as well. Cheers. Enjoy the course, eh? Bye-bye.